Have you ever felt that your AI chat gets worse the longer you're using it? Well, it's not you. It's something we call context rot. Let me explain. So here's what's happening. Over a single span of one conversation, you're sending the model multiple topics and multiple chats. What happens is now the topics start bleeding into each other, and this is what we call context rot or context pollution and bloat. And that's why when you ask for something specific, like give me a copy of the poem that I asked you, when you've already spoken to the model about multiple other things, all those contexts start bleeding into one another. That's exactly what systems like Cogniz solve by stopping the context from bleeding using something called branching. So technically your chat is not forgotten, but your model is confused because you have five different conversations in the same chat thread with it, and that's why it's not being able to fetch the right context. Branching, what it does is that it isolates the initial context and then forks it out into two different chats for two different types of conversations or topics. So say I was writing a poem, maybe I wanted a sad version of it and a happy version of it, so I branch it out into two different chats and it keeps it separate forever. This is exactly what we implement in Cognis with better version control. Branching isolation can save you up to 58% of your context usage, which means in the same amount of money, you can get way more out of any AI model. What basically happens is it stops dragging in unrelated information into your branch and confusing the AI model. So not only do you get more accurate responses, you don't end up with a tangled chat thread which is giving you random outputs at any given point. People report up to a 15% improvement in response quality if they branch their chat, and that's massive. But there's a catch to all of this. So if I go to ChatGPT and fork my chat here and create a new branch, as you'll soon see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and probably 10, 15 branches, and now I'm confused which branch is the correct one and which response I wanted to use. And this is a specific problem that occurs on all LLMs, GPT, Claude, Gemini, and that's what Cognis is designed to solve while giving you access to GPT, Gemini, Claude, and all the best models out there. Imagine having 15 different conversations with ChatGPT in the same chat window, all different versions. It's so much better for experimentation. So you just go to Cognis, you select ChatGPT as your model, then you give it the main context and the main prompt, and then you give it one single instruction after here. So I asked it to customize this email for Gen Z customers. Then I just went and hit edit over here and I created the second branch and the third and the fourth and the fifth. Now you can see here in these branches, I changed my model. So I just click here, I select a different model and I can select an OpenAI model or I can select a Google model, it doesn't matter. And it's going to switch the branch. Now under one, I created another sub branch. I created three different sub branches. So my entire context is captured within this. So this specific branch I'm only using for Gen Z customers. This specific branch only goes for millennial customers. This specific branch, I'm doing all my testing only for Gen X customers and what email to send them across different models, across different chats. But at the same time, it's all constrained within one chat window, clearly numbered out, and clearly the branching system is extremely well designed. And if I just click here, it's going to take me to the last next branch. Again, if I scroll down and I click here, it's going to take me to the previous branch. So navigation is made supremely easy in this, which makes version control a breeze. And that's why it performs way better for your mental fatigue as compared to something like GPT or Claude. Branching across different models also helps you remove bias that individual AI models have. Like GPT only has GPT's own bias, and Gemini has Gemini's own bias. So if you use them together, it's going to help remove their bias. If you want to do that, go and check Cognis AI out at scalifyai.com/Cognis-AI. We've got multiple AI models from OpenAI and Google as of now, and we've got a couple of integrations. One is a content writing canvas, another one is Google Sheets. So you can mix and match and you can try out a ton of different workflows on it. We're just looking for feedback. It's completely free right now. So try it out. Let us know what you like about it. Let us know what you don't, so that we can keep bringing such user centric features to you and improve the quality of work. Thank you so much for taking the time out and watching this, and we'll see you in the next one.